are?
Con nghe thấy mà lại làm sao một con
sao mạng
Julian. I have the remote control. I need to put it in the fan. Sige, fan. You try with fan. Daddy will do that. Tom? Good evening. Okay.
Okay.
Did you hear teacher?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so where are you right now? Where are you?
Đèn lên cho cô nhìn cho nó rõ thì cứ phải đẩy ra.
Lần này sao con mà
Nói nhiều lần rồi.
đùa lắm nghĩ chưa? Oh, I'm the teacher.
Oh, your internet is not good? You
What?
are not, your internet, your network is not good? I cannot hear you, Tom.
Hello.
Hello, Tom. Oh, so where are you right now?
Yeah.
You are in the? You are in your house? You're in your house?
No.
Oh, that's why. There's white. You're in the restaurant?
No, I am go to the Mộc Châu.
It's a party. Party.
Mộc Châu, Mộc Châu.
Oh,
Playing.
it's a party. It's a place?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So here, now we are going to have the unit 11. Let us finish. Let us check if we are done with this. Okay,
Con.
okay, unit 11. No. Yeah.
Đi xuống đấy nó không ít người mà nó có ồn đâu. Đi.
Không.
Đi.
Không, họ yên tĩnh cái này chứ mẹ cứ thế mẹ đi đi. Chán. Chờ con thì chờ được.
Okay. So actually, Tom, we are already in lesson 4. We are already in lesson 4. Yes. But then we need to have a review. Okay. Let us have a short review. Okay, let us have a short review from our past lesson. As you can see, we have to have a short review from our past lesson. Okay, so we talk here. Do you still remember teacher Ann told you about the grammar? First, we have use of should not and should. Okay, we studied that one. And then here in lesson 3, okay, in lesson 1, we talk about I have. Okay, how to use I have. I have a stomach. Okay, what's the matter with you? I have a stomach, like that. Next is in lesson number 2, lesson 2, we talk about should and should not. Again, we talk about should and should not. That's lesson 2. Next in lesson 3. In lesson 3, okay, so we talk about what's the matter with you. That's lesson 3. We talk about that. What's the matter with you, Tom? I have a stomach ache, teacher. I have a headache, teacher. I have an earache, teacher. Okay, that's it. That's lesson 3. That's the lesson for lesson 3. Okay, now let's move on to lesson 4. Okay, we are now in lesson 4. In lesson 4, okay, this is, you study also about this. The use of should and should not. You study that in lesson 2. Here in lesson 4, in lesson 4, we are going to talk about some other things. Now, before that, I would like to introduce new words. Okay, next, cold, carry,
Hurt.
Get better.
Get better or get well. Okay, again, can you read it, Tom?
Yeah.
Cold,
Curl.
carry,
Hurt.
get better or get well.
Get better. Well.
Okay, so now my question. Do you understand what is cold? It's very cold, teacher. You understand that?
Yeah.
Okay, how about the word carry. I carry this, teacher. I can carry this. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
How about the word hurt? I am hurt.
Her stomach.
Oh, my stomach is hurt. My stomach is hurt. I get hurt. My hands get burned. I get hurt. Oh, it's so hurt. Like that. Do you understand?
Yeah.
How about get better or get well? Okay. Tom, you get well. Okay. So it means I hope you will be okay. Get better. Do you understand, Tom?
Yeah.
Oh, very good, my dear. Okay. Next one here. We have here the grammar. What's the matter with you? Hey, I have a stomach ache. They have a stomach ache. We already talked about this, right? We talked about this already, the grammar. Okay. We talked about you should and you shouldn't. Okay. Always remember when we say should, it's positive. But when we say shouldn't, it's negative. It shouldn't. You shouldn't buy new clothes. You shouldn't go here. Shouldn't. Okay. Now here in lesson 4, let us have this one. What's wrong with you, Tom? I have
stomach ache.
I have stomach ache, teacher. Okay. I hope you will get better well soon. Okay. What's wrong with you, Sarah? I have an earache, teacher, and I hope you'll get better well soon. Okay. So you understand what's wrong with you? Do you understand that? Yes, teacher, I understand that. What's wrong with you? Okay. Now here. So I have here, Tom, some words that you need to read and much. Do you know the answer for this? Do you have pen and paper?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you answer 1, 2, 3, 4 and tell me if you are done answering, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you tell me, teacher, I'm done. Okay.
It's
Done?
yeah.
Okay. Backache.
Okay.
That's backache. Pain at the back.
Backache.
Yes.
When grandmother has a backache, she shall take over it.
She shouldn't carry heavy things. Okay, that's the answer. Okay, again. Once grandmother has a backache, what's the answer?
She shouldn't carry heavy things.
Very good. Number 2. Miss Hine has a sore throat. What's your answer?
Miss Diane is so sore. She should take some warm water.
Warm water. Warm water.
Warm water.
Okay, you know what is warm? You know what is that?
2 is C.
Yeah. Number 2 is letter C. Do you know what is warm? Warm. You know what is warm?
Yeah. Warm.
Tom, Tom, listen. Tom, do you know the word worm? This one. Do you know this word? Worm. Do you know this word?
Yeah.
Do you know? Yeah. Warm is not cold.
Cô
Not
mà ơi.
too cold. Not too hot. Yeah, you understand?
Nhà cô.
You
Yeah.
understand? Okay, next. Number 3.
Xong chưa?
She should take a rest.
Oh, my mother has a headache. She should take a rest. Okay, let's see the answer 10. Oh, sorry. The answer, letter D. Okay. Number 2, letter C. And number 3, letter. What's number 3? Number 3 is letter.
No. Every is a
A. Okay. And number, his brother has a sore eyes.
is B.
B, he should not watch much TV. Very good, Tom. Okay, Tom got 4 points. Okay, wait for a while. I need to get
Xong rồi đây.
I will take here. Tom, 4 points. 4 over 4. Very good, Tom. Next, Tom.
Em đừng bởi mình.
Okay, look at this, Tom. Okay, do you have your paper there?
Paper, yeah.
Yeah. Now you answer this. You will have to arrange the sentences in order. You will have to arrange the sentence in order.
Zoom mà. Zoom á. Zoom là không nhìn thấy mặt mày đâu.
What's it?
Tell me if you are done.
What's the... I don't...
What's the matter with your mother?
Oh, what's the matter with your mother? Let's see if you're correct. 10. Teacher will show you the correct answer.
If I have a sore throat.
Oh, number 1 first. I will. Oh, what's the matter with your mother? Again, can you read it, Tom? Read it.
You should eat ice cream.
What
is the matter with your mother?
With.
With.
Very good. Okay, number 2. What's the correct answer?
I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat. Again.
You shouldn't eat ice
Okay,
cream.
no. Number 2. Can you read, please?
I have a sore throat.
Very good. I have a sore throat. Number 3. What's the answer for number 3?
You shouldn't eat ice cream.
You shouldn't eat ice cream. Very good, Tom. Number 4, Tom.
You should go to the doctor.
You should go to the doctor. Again.
You should go to the doctor.
Very good, Tom. Yay, good job. Okay, here. Yeah. 4 over 4. I will write here.
Amazing, good job.
Okay, good job. Yeah, very good. Here, next.
Amazing, good job.
Next. Oh, who is that? Who is that?
Cô giống như anh nói.
Is that your friend? Okay.
Yo.
Oh, complete the sentences with the following words. Tommy, Tom, you have 2. Okay. Oh, what's that? There's a lot of kids there. Where are the kids?
Nói.
The kids are everywhere. Kids, where are the kids?
Yep.
Oh, okay, Tommy. Now, Tom, listen. You have the paper there. You answer 1 to 5. Okay. You write in the paper the answers 1 to 5. Okay.
Well, 2 minutes. What? Sorry. Just oh my god.
Cô đang nói chuyện với chồng.
Mm,
Oh my god. Oh my god.
now.
Are you done?
Okay.
Okay, give me the answer for number 1.
Trung had a so throat last week. He could speak.
Okay, listen. Let us see your answer is sore throat. Okay, wait for a while. Oh, where is it? Where is the answer? Okay, my God, very good. Okay, teacher will read. Listen. Trung had a sore throat last week. He couldn't speak. Again, Tom, read.
Trung has a sore throat last week. He couldn't speak.
Very good. Number 2. What do you think is the answer for number 2?
It's a toothache.
Toothache. Let me see. Okay, you read now. You read. Nam.
Now I'm going to the dentist yesterday because he had a toothache.
Very good. Nam went to the dentist yesterday because he had a toothache. Okay, very good. Good job, number 3. What's your answer?
Fever.
Oh, fever, teacher. Let's see. Oh, very good again. Go, Kwan. Can you read it, Tom?
Kwan is in bed and felt very hard. He had a fever.
Kwan is in bed and feels very hot. He had a
Fever.
Oh, very good. Ouch! Number 4.
It's a backache. Backache.
Backache. Backache again. Oh, look at teacher Ann. Okay.
Backache.
Okay, can you read it?
Backache. Found his grandpa has backache. He can't carry heavy things.
Okay. Fong's grandpa has a backache. Tom, it's backache. It's not backache. It's backache. Has a backache. He can't carry heavy things. Again, Tom, can you read it? Fong's
has ache.
Okay, no. Number 4, can you read number 4 again?
Found his grandpa has a backache. He can't carry heavy things.
Very good. Number 5. Jerome had a blank last night because he ate too much dinner. What? Headache? This? Are you sure? Are you sure it's headache? I will try that. You eat too much. You eat too much.
No.
What will happen? The answer is, what's the answer? Stomach ache. Because you eat a lot. So what happened? Your stomach is getting painful, getting hurt. That's why you have stomach ache. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. So 5/5. Very good. Okay, next one. Good
I'm
job.
making good job.
3, perfect. Okay, now find and correct the mistakes. Okay, let us find and correct the mistakes. Okay, like here. Lesson teacher. Last week, my family moved for a new house. That's last week. What do you think is the mistake?
Huh?
Look at number 1. You try to look at number 1. What is the wrong? Okay, I will give bonus. I will show the answer for number 1. The wrong or the mistakes for number 1 is move. This is not correct. The correct answer is move. There is D because it is past tense. Okay. It is past tense because there is a word last week. Okay. Because there is a word last week. Okay. So if it's past tense, it's already happened in the past, Tom. It already happened in the past. It's past. So you have to put D with the verb. Okay? Do you understand, Teacher Anne? Do you understand me?
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Number 2.
Is up.
What's the matter of you, Lon?
Up.
Okay. Very good. What do you think is the correct answer?
Master.
What's the correct answer? What you are going to do with the of?
What?
What's the matter of you, Lon? Okay. What's the matter of you? You said it's of is the wrong answer. What do you think is the correct answer?
It's master.
No. What is the correct answer for of? You said it's of. Of is correct. What do you think is the correct answer? This is okay. So what will you add? Okay. The answer is?
Lamb.
Oh, the answer is with. What's the matter with you, Lan? Oh, that's the answer. Okay. At least I will give you 1 point because this is 2 points. Number 3. What do you think is the correct answer? I mean the mistakes, the wrong.
Okay.
She should go to bed early.
Goes.
Oh, goes, teacher. What is the correct for that?
Go.
Oh, yeah. Very good. Think that. Oh, very good here. Go. Number 4. Okay, number 4. He has a strong white teeth. Oh, you've got 3 points. He has a strong white teeth because he brushed his teeth regularly. What is the wrong? He has a strong teeth.
Strangely.
Because he brushed his teeth regularly. What is the wrong?
Regularly.
Regularly? Are you sure? Are you sure, Tommy?
What?
Are you sure? Sure of your answer? Is that correct? Final answer? Or you want to change?
I don't know.
I don't know, teacher. Okay. The answer, the wrong is brush. Brush.
Brush?
Yeah. You know what's the correct?
Brush.
Brushes. Yeah. That's the correct. Oh, you understand now?
Yeah, okay.
Oh, you put brushes here, you add AS because he is singular. He is singular, of course. That's why you need to have brushes. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Very good. Next one here. Dang, dang, dang. Okay. You've got 5 points. I will write here. Sorry. 5
Oh
over
no.
8.
Oh
You,
no.
sorry.
No.
You got 4 over 8.
Oh no. No.
Lesson 5. In lesson 5, look at this one. We have
Teeth.
here new words. We have new words for lesson 5. Okay? For a while, Tom.
Okay.
For a while. For a while.
Cat.
Here. So we have here some new words.
Take a shower.
Teeth.
Regularly.
Take a shower.
Meal.
Regularly.
Nail.
Meal. Nail. Okay. These are the words. Lesson, Tommy. Teeth. You understand the word teeth?
Teeth.
Yeah, your teeth is white. You know that? It's răng. Răng is in Vietnam. Răng, the teeth.
Yeah.
Răng.
Răng.
What's răng? Răng is teeth.
Is teeth is a black?
The răng is teeth black. Oh my God. Next, take a shower. Tomboy San, that's taking a shower. You understand that?
Yeah.
I will take a shower. Next is regularly. Adverb, tuang suwayan. What's that? Regularly, its adverb is every day. Always. That's regularly.
Okay.
Next. Next is here. We have meal. Your meal. You understand your meal? The food that
Meow.
meal. No, it's not meal. It's meal. Your meal, like lunch, like dinner, like breakfast. You eat.
Have lunch.
Oh, look at the cat. Next is nail. Where is your nail? Teacher's nail don't have color. Teacher's nail don't have color. Okay. Look at
Teacher is
no color.
Cat.
No. The cat.
cat. What phone?
The cat's phone is iPhone. What's your phone? Your phone is iPhone?
iPhone.
Oh, the cat's phone is iPhone. Okay, can you see the cat's phone? It's iPhone. Why? Why are you crying? Because the cat has an iPhone? Tom.
Yeah.
Oh, but teacher don't have iPhone. My phone is like this.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I don't know. It's
Samsung.
Oppo. No, it's Oppo. You know what is Oppo?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Oppo. Yeah, too small. Okay, how about you?
Samsung.
Not Samsung, it's Oppo. O-P-P-O. Okay, how about you? What's your phone?
Yeah.
Your phone is iPhone?
Yeah.
Oh, you have the same phone with the cat. Look at the cat. The cat.
What's your phone?
The cat's phone is iPhone. iPhone 11.
Oh my god.
Oh my God. Oh my God. The cat.
iPhone 7.
No, iPhone 11.
Oh my god.
Oh my God. The cat is very
God.
Okay, Tom. Okay, you learned the new words. You have the teeth, taking shower, regularly, the meal, and the nail of teacher. Okay, do you understand, Tommy?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, teacher. Okay, here, look at this one. You will have to listen and repeat.
One.
What's the matter with you? I have a headache.
2,
What's the matter with you? I have a toothache.
3,
What's the matter with you? I have a stomach ache.
Okay. So first here, I will ask and you will answer me. What's the matter with you, Tom?
I have a headache.
What's the matter with you?
I have a toothache.
What's the matter with you?
I have a stomach ache.
Oh yeah, very good, my dear. Okay. Wait for a while. It's very cold. Okay. You feel cold there? What's the weather in Vietnam?
Vietnam is very hot.
Yeah. Oh, also here in the Philippines, it's cold. Okay, here, look at this one. Then, oh, now you will have to answer. You listen. Okay, wait for a while. I need to erase this one, Tom. For a while. Tom, I need to erase this one. Okay. So now, Tom,
Okay.
you will have to listen, and after you will answer. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good, my dear. Listen, Tommy.
What's the matter with you? I have a headache. 2. What's the matter with you? I have a backache. 3. What's the matter with you? I have a stomach ache. 4. What's the matter with you? I have a pain in my stomach.
So very good. Next one here. What's the matter with you?
I have a headache.
Headache. Let's see if your answer is correct, Tommy.
1.
Oh, sorry.
What's the matter with you?
Okay, letter B. Very good. Number 2. What's the matter with you? I
have a
backache.
toothache.
Oh, backache. The answer is not bad toothache. It's backache. Okay, number 3. What's the matter with you? Stomach
I have
ache.
a stomach ache.
Very good. What's the matter with you?
Pain in my stomach.
Pain in my stomach. Yay! So you got 3 correct answer. 3/4. I will write here. 3/4. Yes! Very good, Tom. Next one here. Now, you will have to read and match. You will have to read and match. How to stay healthy. You know what is healthy? You know what is that, Tom? Healthy. Healthy. You know how to say?
Yeah.
Okay. When you have to be healthy, you have to eat vegetables. You have to drink milk. You have to do exercise and shower every day. You have to take shower. Okay. Next one. Now you will give me the answers. You will only, do you have paper or you can encircle here? You can encircle here in the computer. The correct answer.
Yeah.
You can put a line. Okay. Answer, Tommy.
Hay là gì mẹ? Now là gì mẹ? Này,
Này,
nó là rồi.
đây là móng. Mi móng. Chả biết.
Sâu là cái gì?
Sâu.
Không biết.
Xí chiếu.
Ok.
Sòng chiếu lên.
Ok.
Okay, you're done?
Yeah.
How about number 5 and number 6? What is your answer for that?
Hey. Okay.
Okay, number 1. Okay, let us see if your answers are correct. Okay, how to stay healthy? First, okay, number 1, letter F. Correct. Wash your hands before having a meal. Okay. Next one. How to?
Ủa.
Number 2 is letter C. Eat. What's the answer? Eat. What's the answer, Tom?
Eat
Eat
healthy
healthy foods. Very good. Number 3. Do
your teeth try a day.
Do
Do morning exercise regularly.
Do morning exercise regularly.
Oh my god. Muốn phút nữa được ăn gì vậy?
Okay. Number 4. Brush
your teeth twice a day.
Twice. It's not right. Twice. Again.
Twice a day.
Oh, that's 2 times a day. Okay. Number 5. Very good. What's your answer? Let's see number 5.
Number 5.
Keep your
nails short and clean.
Yeah. Keep your nails short. Teacher is short and clean. Okay. How about number 6? Letter.
Take a shower every day.
Take shower every day. Okay, very good. Yay! You've got the correct answer, Tom. Good job, Tommy. Oh, yes. Now we have here, we have here the last exercise. Write your advice. What do you think? Tony has a bad headache. Okay, what do you think Tony will do?
Tony has a bad toothache.
What do you think Tommy will do?
He should go to the dentist.
Very good. He should go to the dentist. Okay. Now, number 2. Juan has a bad cold.
He should.
What did?
He shouldn't.
He shouldn't
eat ice cream.
Oh, he shouldn't eat ice cream. Very good, Tom. Number 3. Fong has a stomach ache. Pong has a stomach ache. What do you think Pong will do?
He should take a rest.
Oh, he should take a rest. Very good. And number 4, Pong has a sore throat.
He should go to the doctor.
He should go to the doctor. Okay. Wow. So that is only your advice. Very good. So at least you know what to do. If Tony had a bad toothache, Tony should go to the dentist. If Kwan has a bad cold, Kwan should not or shouldn't eat ice cream or something cold. If Fong has a stomach ache, Fong has to take a rest, or he should take a rest. If Fong has a sore throat, he should drink warm water, or he should not drink cold water also. He should drink warm water, or he should go to the doctor. Okay? Wow, that's 4 points. Okay, I will have here. We've got total 4, 4, 5, 8, 8, 16, 20, 29. That's 29 points. And Tom get 4, 4, 5 plus 5. That's 18, 19, 20, 20, 19, 18, 19, 20, 21. You've got 25 over 29. Not that bad. Good again. Your score is 25 over 29. Okay? Okay, Tom? Okay. So now, Tom, do you have questions with the lesson?
Yeah.
No, teacher. Oh, where are you now? You're still in the restaurant?
No.
Where is that? It's a place you're still... Oh, it's very cold in Vietnam.
Yeah.
Oh, you're very cold. Okay. Okay, now. So for now, if you don't have question, teacher will say goodbye, Tommy. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay. Okay, are you alone? You're with your mom?
No.
Your mom? Yeah.
No.
Your mom is with you?
No.
Oh, you alone? Oh, with your friends?
Yeah, right.
Ah, you have lots of friends?
No.
How many? How many friends do you have?
1.
One. One. It's only friend, not friends. Okay. Friend. One friend. Okay. So for now, teacher will say goodbye, Tommy. Happy New Year.
Goodbye, teacher.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, of course. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.